Welcome back to another MedRevisions video. In this video, we'll discuss another November 2020 recall and also give you some tips for the exam. Hopefully that will bring you one step closer to passing the PLAB Part 1 exam. Okay, so let's get on with the video. Before we discuss the question, take 50 seconds to pause the video and comment the answer down below. Okay, so let's get to the video. We have a 3-week-old term male baby with jaundice who was brought into the hospital by his mother. He developed jaundice on the 2nd day of life, but his parents were unable to seek medical care. Pale stools and dark urine on the diaper were observed. He is otherwise well. The mother is currently not breastfeeding and had placed him on formula. What is the initial investigation? So the correct answer here is split bilirubin levels and liver function tests. Alright, so before we discuss the other options and the answer further, don't forget to smash that like button. That would help us help you. Also, comment down below on any other topics that you'd like us to cover in the future. Make sure you check out the reviews from our past PLAB candidates as well. The link is in the description below. So as I said before, the answer is split bilirubin levels and liver function tests. Now this is a case of prolonged jaundice. Okay, prolonged means more than 14 days, and the baby was jaundiced on the 2nd day. Okay. So we have a case of biliary atresia, most likely because of the pale stools and dark urine. So that is obstructive jaundice. Now, all term infants who remain jaundiced after 14 days and preterm infants after 21 days should be investigated for liver disease. Initially, with a simple measurement of conjugated fraction of bilirubin, that's the split bilirubin levels. Now, the liver function tests are also abnormal with conjugated hyperbilirubinemia. Okay? Alright, I hope that was clear. Now, why not reassured? Now, prolonged jaundice should not be reassured. It should be investigated further. Abdominal ultrasound. Now, abdominal ultrasound is part of the investigation process, but it is not the initial investigation. The initial investigations are the split bilirubin levels and liver function tests. Full blood count, again, it's not an appropriate answer here. Liver histology. Now, liver histology can be obtained by percutaneous biopsy. Now, that is the definitive diagnosis for biliary atresia. Okay, they're asking for the initial investigation, not the definitive investigation. So once again, this is a case of prolonged jaundice. There are many causes of prolonged jaundice, like galactosemia, UTI, breast milk jaundice, biliary atresia, and so on. Now, in terms of pathological jaundice or physiological jaundice, the causes are variable, and all of these details and the relevant questions are on our MedRevisions platform. Please go check it out. It will help you. And remember, this is a very high yield topic in the exam. In almost every exam, the questions related to jaundice have been asked. So make sure you are familiar and you are on top of this topic. Okay, so please go check out our MedRevisions platform. We have all sorts of questions in addition to the main high yield topics. Alright, I hope that question was clear for you all. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. This video was brought to you by MedRevisions, your go-to resource for PLAB Part 1. Complete your revision with MedRevisions.